Hi, it's me. I'm not upside down for a change. If you've been following my videos, the latest one that I put up on Friday, um, I included parts of it of a fishing trip that I did in far northern Minnesota, and I drove the old Cobra II from Minneapolis up there, fished around for a few days, and then drove it back. That was in an effort to shake out any more issues that could possibly be happening. Um, One issue that actually there was a couple issues. The first one was I had a exhaust leak, and um, I'm sure it was on the exhaust manifold. And I can see now that I've got everything out of the way, I can actually see where there is a leak on the number 8 exhaust port. And also, I noticed at 55 miles an hour, I had a vibration, and it would go away. It wasn't an RPM type of vibration, so it made me think that I got U joints that had to be changed. So I did that. I changed the U joints. Waiting for new exhaust manifold gaskets to arrive. They should be in today. If not, they'll be here tomorrow, hopefully. And then we can get the old car back out on the road. In the meantime, here's a time-lapse video of the stretch of highway between Mora, Minnesota and McGregor. It's like a 35-mile trip in 3.5 minutes. September 7th. Yesterday I was out here in the garage getting ready to replace the exhaust manifold gaskets because I got a leak, and I found where the leak was. Here, let me see if I can show you. I'm sorry if the angle is bad here, but the leak is right down there. You can see on the block the staining, and it's right down in here off a number 8 exhaust. I'm sure that's at least the major portion of my leak. And while I was in here looking at that, I noticed that there was some ugly goop coming out of the one of the there was some ugly goop coming off of the right down in here off of this one, off of this number 7 exhaust valve, and it looked a little weird, so I took the rocker off, and that seemed to be okay. And what I found out is, let's see if I can hold this steady, you can move this valve, which I don't think is a good thing. And I'm waiting for some friends on the internet to chime in, and they're excellent mechanics, and I'm hoping that I don't have a disaster, although I think I do. I think I may have saved the engine, and worst case scenario is I think I gotta tear it apart, put some heads on there, and if I'm gonna do that, or have this one reconditioned, if I'm gonna do that, I might as well take them both and have that done, or buy some aftermarket higher performance heads. And it looks like I'm going to be down for a while, but the good thing is I wanted to get this thing running for this summer. I got it running, took it on a really nice fishing trip, and it makes me happy. Anyways, thanks. I hope you liked the high-speed video.